Welcome to TekBees. If you're a developer, architect, or tech enthusiast looking to use powerful AI LLM models locally without cloud costs, token limits, or privacy risks, this video is for you. In this video, I'll share my real experience using open source LLM models directly on my machine and how they help me in daily development tasks like coding, email drafting, sprint planning, ticket creation, paraphraser, and documentation. We'll integrate these models directly into Visual Studio Code so your AI assistant works exactly where you code. Here's what we'll cover step by step. First, why using local open source LLMs makes sense. Second, installing and configuring Ollama. Third, integrating LLMs into VS Code using the Continue plugin. And finally, switching between multiple models like Granite, Mistral, and CodeLlama. Everything shown in this video is completely free. Before jumping into setup, let's understand why local LLMs are powerful. When you use cloud-based AI tools, your code, prompts, and business logic are sent outside your machine. Sensitive data or enterprise-level organization worry about this privacy issue. With this local LLMs, everything stays on your system. There are no token limits, no subscription fees, no internet dependency, and much better control over hallucinations. For enterprise developers, privacy and transparency matter, and open source models give exactly that. Now, let's talk about requirements. You need Visual Studio Code. You need the Continue plugin. Minimum 8 GB RAM is required, but I strongly recommend 16 GB RAM if you plan to run multiple models or larger ones like image generation or using DeepSeek like huge size models. No GPU is mandatory. CPU-based execution works well for most use cases. Open your Visual Studio Code. Go to the Extensions Marketplace and search for Continue. Install the Continue plugin. This plugin widely supports all roles supported by LLM models. This plugin acts as the bridge between VS Code and your local LLM models. Once installed, you'll see a new Continue plugin logo in VS Code left side panel. Now let's talk about Ollama. It's backed by Meta organization. Ollama is a lightweight runtime that lets you download and run open source LLMs locally with a simple command. It supports popular models like Granite, LLMA, Mistral, CodeLlama, DeepSeek, and many more. Ollama runs a local service on port 11,434 and exposes an API that tools like Continue can connect to. The first installation method is using the official setup. Go to the Ollama website and open the Downloads page. Ollama supports macOS, Windows, and Linux operating systems. Download the setup for your operating system and waiting for its completion. Once it is done, complete the setup installation. Once installed, Ollama runs as a background service. Set the configurations in a Ollama setup like context length, memory, and important parameters. The second method is installing Ollama via terminal by commands like homebrew or install. In this tutorial, leverage the terminal commands. On macOS, you can use homebrew. Open the terminal and run the brew install Ollama command. Wait for the installation to complete. The time depends on your internet speed. Once installed, you can start Ollama using the serve command. After starting Ollama, you'll see a bunch of logs in the terminal about Ollama configuration about how much memory and CPU utilizing. These logs confirm that Ollama is running successfully and listening on port 11,434. This means your local LLM server is ready to use and serve its purpose. Don't close this terminal or terminate the process. Now let's start to download LLM models. In a terminal window using the Ollama pull command, you can install any supported model. In this video, I'm installing IBM Granite 4 model. Granite models are well suited for enterprise use cases, coding and reasoning, etc. They also provide better transparency compared to many black box models. Transparency is the key thing for choosing the best models when care about privacy. Once the model is pulled, it's stored locally on your machine. This model approximately takes 2 GB memory. You can verify the installation by running the model directly from the terminal. This opens an interactive chat session. You can ask questions, generate code, or test reasoning, all from the terminal. But the terminal usage is a little bit complicated when copy the code or descriptions from the LLM response. Now comes the most important part, integrating the installed LLM model into VS Code. From the left side panel, open the Continue plugin and click on Local Configuration option. This opens a YAML configuration file. Do not modify existing entries. Add a new model entry with providers set to Ollama and models set to Granite 4 and name set to as our desired one. The given name will be displayed in the model selection drop-down. Finally, define roles such as chat, edit, and apply. Save the file. Once saved, the model name appears instantly inside the Continue plugin. Select the model and start interacting. Now your VS Code is ready to act as an AI assistant. You can ask coding questions, refactor files, generate documentation, unit test generation, or explain complex logic. Bang! The responses comes in a detailed and contextual with proper examples. While context running time in your VS Code, you can monitor Ollama logs too. See how requests are handled in a terminal. Logs are extremely useful for debugging issues or performance problems. Again, we can give one more query in chat window. Some queries may request external network access to fetch updated information. Once approved, the model returns the required data. Other than that, the entire integration works offline. Now, come to add multiple models. Once again, I remind Continue plugin supported to use multiple models. You can install Mistral, CodeLlama, or any other model from Ollama by using pull command in a terminal. Once the pull action will be completed, add them to the same Continue config file, similar like how we added for IBM Granite. After save the config file, the plugin updated with all new models. Continue allows seamless switching between models depending on your task. This setup gives you full control, zero cost, privacy, offline, and enterprise-level flexibility. You can use multiple models simultaneously and choose the best one for each task. It significantly improves productivity and developer confidence. Now, I added my available models details in a config file to load all the models in a Continue plugin. Now, navigate into Ollama website to see what are all the available models. Here, able to search or filter based on the category to choose the model. To summarize this video, the Continue plugin allows you to create a new chat by clicking the plus button. Also, you can view the history of the previous session. The plugin not only allows chat, but also contains plan and agentic options. Select and explore more. Using local and open source LLMs gives you complete privacy, zero token limits, and is free of cost, making them ideal for secure and unrestricted development. You can easily experiment with newly released models and even use multiple LLMs simultaneously based on your needs. Overall, this flexibility significantly boosts productivity by allowing faster iteration, better responses, and full control over your AI workflow. In the next video, I'll show how to use these lovely integrated LLMs with Python and Streamlit to build enterprise applications like text-to-speech and text-to-image systems. Thanks for watching TekBees. Like, subscribe, and post your questions in the comments. I'll reply soon.